Hello everyone, if you haven't liked this video yet or subscribed to the channel, please do it right now. Your support motivates me to bring more high quality learning content for you. And if you truly want to learn this complete course step by step, go to the discussion section of this video. An enrollment link is provided there. Click the link and enroll to get full access. Thank you so much. Now let's start the video. Master Calculus 1 using Python, Derivatives and Applications. Welcome to Master Calculus 1 using Python, a powerful and beginner-friendly journey where mathematics meets real-world computation. In this course, we will not only understand calculus concepts but also implement them using Python, making learning practical, visual, and exciting. Why learn calculus with Python? Calculus is the foundation of science, engineering, economics, data science, and machine learning. But many students struggle because it feels abstract. Python changes that. With Python, you visualize derivatives, you experiment with functions, you see real-time applications, you learn calculus the way professionals use it today. This course is designed for beginners in calculus, students preparing for exams, learners interested in AI, milliliter, and data science, anyone who wants to truly understand derivatives, not just memorize formulas. What is Calculus 1? Calculus 1 mainly focuses on functions, limits, derivatives, applications of derivatives. In this course, our main focus will be derivatives and their applications, explained clearly with Python examples. Understanding derivatives. The core idea: a derivative tells us how something changes. Examples: how fast a car is moving, velocity; how quickly profit changes, marginal profit; how temperature changes, rate of change; how a curve slopes at a point, slope of tangent. Mathematically, a derivative represents the rate of change of a function with respect to a variable. But instead of stopping at formulas, we'll use Python libraries to compute derivatives, plot graphs, analyze behavior visually. Derivatives using Python. In this course, you'll learn how to define mathematical functions in Python, use symbolic tools to compute derivatives, plot original functions and their derivatives, understand how derivatives behave graphically. Python makes calculus clear, interactive, and intuitive. Applications of derivatives. This is where calculus becomes truly powerful. You will learn how derivatives are used in finding maxima and minima, optimization problems, business applications, cost, revenue, profit analysis, physics, motion, velocity, acceleration, engineering, design, optimization, machine learning, gradient-based learning. Each application will be explained step by step, concept first, then Python implementation. Learning style of this course: simple English explanations, step-by-step concepts, real-world examples, Python-based demonstrations, beginner to intermediate level progression, no unnecessary complexity, only clear understanding. Final words: by the end of this course, you won't just know what derivatives are, you'll know how to use them, why they matter, and how professionals apply them using Python. So once again, like the video, subscribe to the channel, check the discussion section, click the enrollment link and join the full course. Let's begin this exciting journey of mastering Calculus 1 using Python. Now, let's start the video. Film ka camera. What you will gain after the course: understand differential calculus, explore mathematical functions, rational, polynomial, transcendental, trig, limits and tricks for solving limits problems, differentiation rules and proofs, tips and tricks for differentiation, Python, NumPy and SymPy, practice applied calculus, visualizing math functions, Matplotlib. The beauty and importance of calculus. Calculus is a beautiful topic in mathematics. No, really, at its heart, calculus is about change. Life is full of change, and calculus is the language that humans developed, invented, or discovered. That's an ongoing debate. To understand how physical, biological, and abstract systems change, calculus is more than just some equations you have to memorize. It's a way of looking at the world and trying to understand how the tiniest infinitesimal changes can lead to gigantic complexity bigger than the imagination. But aside from all that fluff, calculus is also really important for basically every piece of engineering and digital technology that has touched humanity. Indeed, the history of calculus is the history of civilization. You want to learn data science? You need calculus. You want to learn machine learning? You need calculus. You want to learn deep learning? You need calculus. You want to learn computational science? You need calculus. You want to learn. I think you see the pattern here. Why learn calculus? There are 3 reasons to learn calculus. It has applications for understanding data science and machine learning algorithms, but it's also a beautiful topic in its own right. Learning math will train your critical thinking and reasoning skills. Any branch of mathematics will train your brain, but calculus especially so, because doing calculus is a lot of like running scientific experiments, generate hypotheses, test them in experiments by holding variables constant, and measuring the output. It's a better hobby than sitting around watching Netflix. Seriously, learning math will help protect you from age-related cognitive decline. Challenge your mind to keep it sharp. Learn calculus the traditional way or the modern way. So, how do you learn calculus? You can learn it the way most people do, by watching someone else scratch on a chalkboard while you furiously take notes and try to decipher their sloppy handwriting, all the while having a little voice in your head telling you that you don't get it because you're not smart enough. Or you can try a different approach. I follow the maxim, you can learn a lot of math with a bit of coding. In this course, you will use Python, mostly the NumPy and SciMP libraries, as a novel tool to help you learn concepts, proofs, visualizations, and algorithms in calculus. There are 3 reasons to use Python to learn calculus. Practical applications. Calculus is essential for understanding data science, machine learning, deep learning, computational science, and many other fields. Mental exercise. Learning calculus, particularly in combination with Python, will train your critical thinking and reasoning skills. Lifelong benefits. Engaging your mind with calculus can help protect against age-related cognitive decline and offer a fulfilling alternative to passive leisure activities. So this is just about coding math? No, this course is not about coding math. And it's not about using Python to cheat on your math homework. What you'll learn, you will translate formulas into code and implement core calculus algorithms. You can gain a deep knowledge of concepts in calculus by solving challenging coding exercises. You will develop intuition for why functions behave the way they do through graphic engine in Python. You will learn the limits of computers for learning calculus and why you still need to use your brain and freshly developed calculus skills new to Python. Python is a
If you want to learn this course, then go to the description link and click and enroll from there. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Keep like and subscribe my channel.